to this episode. So let me ask you, how many hours did you study yesterday? 2, 5, maybe even 10? But here's the real question. Did you actually understand what you studied? Or did you just spend time with your books?
Yeah, that's a good one. Because we've all heard the same advice growing up. Study hard, work harder. But honestly, that's kind of outdated now. Not wrong, but definitely incomplete.
Exactly. Today, information is everywhere. YouTube, AI, they can teach you almost anything. So it's not about who studies the most, but who studies the smartest.
Right. And the problem is most students aren't lazy. They're stuck in old habits. Reading chapters, underlining, making notes, then revising. But what happens? They forget most of it, don't really understand, and struggle to apply it.
Yeah, that's the passive learning trap. And AI could be a game changer here. It can help you understand faster, break down complex ideas, create notes, and even test yourself.
But here's the catch. Most students just copy answers from AI and move on. It looks productive, but it actually kills your thinking. You're outsourcing your brain and becoming dependent.
That's risky because exams in life don't come with AI sitting next to you. So what's the better way? The think, ask, judge, accomplish method.
First, think. Pause and ask yourself what you already know and what confuses you. Then ask AI specific questions, like explain photosynthesis in simple steps with an example.
Then judge the answer. Does it make sense? Can you explain it in your own words? If not, ask again. And finally, accomplish. Apply what you learned by solving problems or teaching someone else.
That's the real learning. And you can build a simple daily system. Pick a topic, ask AI to explain it simply, break it into key concepts, make exam-ready notes, test yourself with questions, and teach it.
Looking ahead, there will be two types of students. Passive AI users who copy answers and learn less, and smart AI thinkers who use AI to think better and learn faster.
And it's not about intelligence or effort, but the approach. AI won't replace students, but students who use AI well will replace those who don't.
So don't study harder. Study smarter, think better. Use AI wisely. Try the think, ask, judge, accomplish method on one topic today and see the difference.
Yeah, and if this changed how you think, share it with a friend still stuck studying hard. Because the future belongs to students who know how to learn.
Absolutely. Thanks for listening.